If you experience a service outage, you can visit the OVHcloud Help Center to determine if there is an incident declared. To do this, you will need to go into your Control Panel and then to the Help Center section in the bottom right-hand corner. You will be redirected to the OVHcloud Help Center. On this page, you will be able to view what is called the status page. The status page, as you can see, is divided into several categories. You have the universes that are grouped together with a small thumbnail that tells you if there is an operation in progress. Take the example here of Bare Metal Cloud. You will find the events currently in progress in this section. In the first tab, you will see the current event. You can see that there are currently 2 service interruptions. In the second part, all the services are listed. As you can see, dedicated servers, VPS, and so on. From here, you can get a full overview and determine whether a service is affected. Further down the page, you will find the maintenance programs that have been scheduled. These maintenance services allow you to consider whether your service could possibly be interrupted in the future. In this section, you will see past incidents. For example, if you had a service interruption and the incident is since over, and you would like more details, you can always click on the incident to get more information provided by our administrators. If you have any doubts about the configuration of your software, please read our documentation before contacting the support team. Here in the Help Center, you will find the documentation section below the search field. You then have 2 choices. Click on the documentation. It is arranged by universe, so you can find Bare Metal Cloud, Public Cloud, Web Cloud, and so on. Your product information will inform you on what universe to go into. If you need help with documentation related to a mail software, go to the Web Cloud section. You will find the categories arranged next to each other. But you can also use the search engine. In this case, typing the keywords related to mailbox. By typing Mail Outlook, you will have the necessary documentation to configure your mailbox for the first time, or to reconfigure it if there is a configuration error. If you see that a documentation is not complete, or that an error has crept in, you can go to the documentation in question, and at the very bottom of the page you will find a button that says, "Was it useful to you?" Click Yes to encourage our administrators to continue this type of documentation, or click No to open the menu to suggest an improvement or content to fix. Then click on Submit My Opinion. If the guide does not provide you with the information you are after, you can still contact support. To do this, go to the Help Center page. Then you will be asked to log in. If you were already logged into the OVHcloud control panel, you will simply click Continue. Firstly, you will need to select the nature of your request. Is it technical advice? Is it for billing or incident? Let's take the case of an incident. For an incident, you have the possibility to contact the OVHcloud teams via live chat, by phone, or a form which is called a ticket. Let's look at what a ticket is and create one live. Here you must choose the reason. Order follow-up, technical advice, incident. Let's choose an incident. I must select my product, then the domain name in question and the service concerned. The system automatically lists the products that I own in my customer area. You need to clarify what issue you are encountering. This helps us categorize and direct your request to the right team. Once our teams have determined that your service is functional, you will continue to manage and configure your services yourself. There are 3 ways of doing. You can visit the OVHcloud community. You can contact our marketplace to order a service, or you can go through our ecosystem of partners here on the Help Center page. You will find Community by clicking on it. OVHcloud Community Forum allows you to browse existing topics and where you can ask for guidance. Can't find the answer? Ask your question. On the OVHcloud website, you can go to the marketplace to order a service directly, or our ecosystem of partners to be in direct contact with them. There are several levels of support, and you can find them in Help Center. At the top, you will see the Support Level tab. On this page, you will see and compare our different levels of support. The standard level of support is what you get by default for any product and service order from OVHcloud. You can sign up to get premium support to help you use the guides and manage your control panel. Business and enterprise support is reserved for the large accounts.